Okay, so we are already in classification of substances. And the first is, each substance has specific properties, but some of which might be the same. For example, saline solution. Saline solution is salt plus water. And syrup share the same property. Okay na? Saline solution and syrup are the same as liquid. But saline solution is salty, whereas syrup is sweet. That is my explanation. Each substance has specific properties, but some of which might be the same. Saline solution and syrup are the same. It is liquid, but when you taste it, Chim, saline solution is salty, syrup is sweet. So it means they are different. They are the same liquid, but they are different in taste. Understand? Kana. Continue. We often use the different properties to classify substances. Number one, if color is used as a criterion or criteria, we can classify the substances in two types: colored, messy, and colorless. No color at all. Colorless is no color or colorless substance. If state is used as a criterion, we can classify the substances into three types: solid, liquid, and gas. Again, we often use the different properties to classify substances. We can differentiate. We can separate substances. If color is the criteria, meaning because of color we can identify anything, right? If the color is criterion, we can classify the substance into two types: colored and colorless. But if state is used as a criterion, we can classify the substances into three types. For example, I will give you an object and tell me if that is solid, liquid, and gas. Okay? Tell me if that is solid, liquid, or gas. Again, I will tell something. I will tell you things. And then tell me if that is solid, liquid, or gas. Okay? Table.
Solid.
Solid. Pen.
Solid.
I have a pen. I have an apple.
Apple pen.
Is apple solid, liquid, gas? Solid.
Solid.
I have a pen. I have an apple. Apple, pen. Okay. Solid na. How about Chanom? Milk tea. Liquid. Very good. How about fart? You know fart? Gas. You know fart? What is fart? What is fart?
Fart.
Fart ba wala? Fart.
Tot.
No? Fart, tot. Very smelly. Very smelly fart. Okay? So that is, if we can classify them into three: solid, liquid, and gas if the state is the criterion. For example, separation substances. Now, why we should separate substances? Kamay, wiyek kan. Why we separate substances? Cover the face of supanat. Okay na? Why we should separate substances? Kamay, we separate substance na we need to separate, or we need separation for some substance before using them, such as separating coconut from milk. From coconut milk. What is coconut?
Mapraw.
What is coconut milk?
นมมะพร้าว
Ano
นม
mapap?
มะพร้าว
How if we will not separate, no, the coconut and the coconut milk, what will happen? We cannot use the coconut milk, right?ใช่ไหม? So we need to separate things, some things, so that we can use it properly. Do you understand? No? So again, for example, that one, coconut milk or extracting oil from soybeans. For example, the soybean, the soya, no, soya. We can get some oil. So what is the oil that you are using at home? Cooking oil, no? Some of the oil is soybean oils, no? Soybean oil. Now, here, some substances can be achieved simply by observing and then taking out, like when we take a rotten fruit out its pile, take paddy rice out of the milled rice. So this one, what is this? This one is very easy, right? By using our hand, by observing and then taking out. For example, what is rotten? Not good already, no? For example, what is your favorite fruit, lemon?
What is mangoes?
Mangoes. For example, you have lemon has many mangoes there. Let's say 10 mangoes. And then one is not good anymore. It's color black already. There is a worm already. What are you going to do?
Throw in the
Okay,
bin.
you need to take out like we take the rotten fruit out its pile. We need to throw it, right? That is what we call separation, yekan. Why? Because if we will not separate the not good, everything will be not good anymore, right? So we need to separate things. So this one is separation technique, like paddy rice out of a milled rice. So, sorry guys. So what are the separation techniques? So what are the technique to separate things? No, to separate. Number 1, filtration, evaporation, and sedimentation. Everybody read, everybody write that one. Everybody write this one first. Okay, wait for a while. I will write it for you. Separation technique. Okay, write it here first. Separation technique. Okay, separation technique, and then number 1, filtration, evaporation, and sedimentation. You write that one. Write that one, separation technique. Number 1, filtration, evaporation, and sedimentation. So I think we will study today only the filtration if we still have time. The time is, what time is it? 50. What time is it? Huh? Let's see the time. 1:50. We have 40 minutes left. Maybe 30 minutes. Finish. Okay, separation techniques, filtration, evaporation, and sedimentation. Finish or not finish?
No.
Oh, Capricorn. Again, Tanapon, do not pass this one. Do not pass. I will tell you what to pass. May tong song ani na lo na minute diyaw ing. It's your copy only. Finish. Everyone finish? Next. Okay. We can separate substance if we know the nature and properties of the compound substances. Magnetic materials such as clip, pin, iron filings can be separated from other things by using a magnet. So by using a magnet, we can separate things like things that is metal and non-metals. No, metal. What is metal?
Leg.
Non-metal. May say? Non-metal pa wala. Non-metal. Metal and non-metal and metal.
Aluminium.
For example, metal versus non-metal. Non-metal pa wala. May say metal sa may non-metal. So we use magnet for metals, right? For metal. So we can separate them like iron, clip and sand, like that. So here. Okay, write this one too. Number 4, by using a magnet. By using a magnet. Number 4, by using a magnet. Number 4, by using a magnet. Everybody write na. Number 4. We have 4. Number 4, by using a magnet. Separation technique. Number 4 is by using a magnet. Please write the pasatay of magnet. Okay, na finish? By using a magnet. Okay, next. Okay, we can separate substances in different sizes by sifting. Number 5. Sifting. Number 5, sifting. But with a grid big enough to fit the desired compounds. Now, we can separate substances in different sizes. So small, big, and small. So inside of this is big and these are small. No? So what is this? What is this? What is this?
Fruit.
Huh?
Fruit.
Okay, what is this? What is this? What is this?
It's
one.
like a salt. It's like a salt.
Not salt, not salt. This one. I mean the one that he is holding. This one. What's this? Strainer, no? Strainer. In English, that is strainer, no? Strainer. Now, listen to me. Have you watched people selling the did you write number 5, sifting? Have you watched people that is selling pitiao?
Yes.
Where are they putting the noodles? They put it here, right?
Yes.
Put inside here. Then put in the hot water, right? Now they put there and then wash in the hot water and then remove it to the hot water. Shamay? So what is that? What is that in Thai?
Takeng. I'm not sure the can means.
Takeng? Amonrat? What's that, Amonrat?
Takeng.
Oh, takeng. That one. No, we use that one to separate the solids. No, the solids. That's different different. Ayun. Different sizes. No? Inside is bigger, and this one is small. That one. So we can separate them by using a sifting, takeng. Now, here, filtration. This is the filtration now. What is the filtration? Number 1, no? Number 1, filtration. Number 2. Okay, number 1 con. Number 1 con. Number 1. Number 1. Number 1, filtration. Substances around us have different specific properties. Some are soluble. Write this one. Soluble แปลว่าอะไร Soluble แปลว่าละลายได้ Soluble means ละลายได้ Soluble means can melt. Melt ก็ได้เนาะ can melt. Such as salt ละลายได้ใช่ไหม and sugar ละลายไหมฮะ
ไม่
sugar เหรอ
sugar
cannot melt เหรอ ไม่ melt เหรอ if you put in the hot water or in the coffee what will happen to the sugar
ละลาย
ละลายได้ salt เหรอละลายได้ that is soluble. Others are insoluble ละลายไม่ได้นะ remember that one. We will use that word many times. Insoluble means ละลายไม่ได้ such as sand ละลายได้ละลายไหม sand ละลาย sand
no
ละลายไหม
no
no charcoal powder ละลายไหม
charcoal powder
คืออะไร charcoal แปลว่าอะไรคืออะไร charcoal charcoal แปลว่าอะไรฮะอะไรนะ
charcoal powder แป้ง charcoal
Is I think powder meaning inside is bang.
what is charcoal
charcoal ถ่าน
charcoal I know charcoal forgot
charcoal เหมือนถ่าน
ท่าน yes ท่าน very good the color black ใช่ไหมท่าน
Yes.
powder ท่านแป้งท่านแป้ง
แป้ง
อะไร
ถ่าน
นะแป้งท่านแป้งท่าน now iron filing so this one so here when we mix sugar and charcoal together what will happen after filtration the charcoal powder will be on the filter paper unique no here filter paper because charcoal is bigger than the holes of the charcoal the filter paper so again filtration we need to filter for example this is the filter paper no filter paper like this it should be a square so square con squareไม่ใช่square so we will make it filter paper filter like that no we will do it like this and then what will happen to the insoluble or lalay may die it will go to the filter paper this one okay filter paper okay here that one no that is the filter paper okay I want everybody I think I will start I'm not feeling I'm doing something okay please draw this one in your notebook no write filtration please draw this one filtration draw this one number 1 this one only this one and then you color it and pass it to the album nah this one only this one filtration for today draw it properly nadja color it you write everything the glass pan yes the glass panel filter paper solid residue and filtrate now listen look at this one now the residue here is the charcoal and this one is the liquid the filtrate no the filtrate the liquid so I will explain more you draw first draw that one first okay thank you Do you have questions? I changed my shirt because it's so hot. I have sweat. So please turn off the microphone. So this is the filter paper. Filter paper, look at the paper. And the color white. So that is what we call filter paper. We have many filter paper at school, na? We have many filter paper at school. Please find our album there, na? So that's only for today. That's only for today. Tomorrow we will study again. Don't you worry. Study math. Okay, please do that one, na? And I will do something. Ay, may Sorry. Sorry. Wait, Pepning. Yun na ya. Okay. Oy. Then pause share. Okay. What can you see in my screen? I will make schedule first. Saturday, tomorrow is 7, right? August 7. 7 August. What time is our class tomorrow? Grade 5?
Afternoon.
Afternoon, right?
Yeah.
But I don't, Teacher Meg, everyone, Teacher Meg. How about Teacher Meg?